decide to postpone the elections, what will you do? I mean, you've called for marches and so on, but obviously we're very close to something turning really violent in your country right now.
Look, Mark, you have right now in France the whole pension demonstrations going on. Well, that's part of democracy. I have always stayed within the limits of the Constitution, what allows us a right, a democratic right to protest. But we have always been peaceful. Now, what happened here in outside my house is unprecedented. First, 5 days ago, they gave us permission, the police gave us permission to start our election campaign by a rally. When our people were coming in to join the rally the next morning, suddenly they cancelled it. But even before they cancelled, there were police contingents which started tear gassing and water cannon at our supporters, provoking us. I cancelled the rally. Next day, I tried to hold my election rally because the elections are announced. Again, they didn't give us permission. Again, I cancelled it. So they were trying to provoke us. And this time, they just came in these numbers when my house became a war zone. I mean, you can't imagine the police force they brought in. As I said, I felt I was a terrorist. The police, the army, Rangers are the army. Then they came in an armored car. I mean, they were as if, it was, like some war zone. So the resistance from my people is for one reason. They are scared that they're going to pick me up, put me in prison, custodial torture, and then they know that these are the same people who tried to kill me. So that's why you see such people petrified that they should not arrest me. But I'm going to court on the 18th, and whatever the court decides, I mean, I believe in rule of law, I'll follow it. If they put me in prison, it's fine. But at the moment, there are no charges to put me in prison. All they are saying is that because I didn't attend court, and I just want to explain this. I did not attend court where they brought out the warrants because the interior minister says my life in danger. The place where the court is, there have been 2 terrorist attacks there, and there have been judges and lawyers killed there. My security told me there's no way you can go there. It's a death trap. I went to High Court and told them that, look, the place is unsafe for me. The government is saying my life is in danger. So either do it on video conferencing or move the premise to another court where I'm safe. That's where. So because I didn't attend, he's brought out my arrest warrants. Anyway, I'm going on the 18th to attend court, and I've asked them to provide me security.